This is a what's in the box for Container Jumbo Edition, 10th Anniversary Jumbo Edition, for Mercury Games, and I believe it's a 2 to 5 player game, which is probably the same as the original Container. Yeah, 2 to 5 players. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So instructions, player boards, I guess the island. You're trading to the island. The investment bank. Wow. So I don't know if you can see this. I mean, one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people had was the really poorly done player boards, and it is surprisingly inept. The graphics on this, like they should have seriously done a better job. What's inside? Oh, it's just a divider and some plastic baggies, and we'll get to the ships. Wow, these are some serious ships. So wow. So that is super heavy. Like, this ship must weigh maybe 2 pounds, and they do look good. But whether they needed to be like whatever quality they decided to do for this, I mean, like, this is like, feels like there's almost like a block, like a weight in there. It's unclear like that if that was necessary. And let's see how these things are. So they have I guess the warehouses and stuff. I don't know what these are exactly. I think player pegs. These are just all wooden. I feel like maybe if they would have went with plastic for them, it would have been maybe a little bit better. And this insert is not the best. Let's see. Oh, so these are not bad. Open up the bag full of them. So these are done. I guess these are also resin. They each come individually bagged. So these are pretty well done. And we have our cards, money cards, I guess. Yeah, basically money cards, and summary cards for stuff. And what else is here? I don't know what those are, but anyway, there you have it. That is what's in the box for Container 10th Anniversary Jumbo Edition. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.